Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about introductions to algebra beta. So let's start with that. So algebra is generalized of arithmetics. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with variables, constants and algebraic expressions. Aryabhat, Mahavira, Bhaskara and Brahma Gupta was the major mathematicians of ancient India beta. They contributed a lot to algebra and mathematics. Algebra deals with variables and equations. We have to find solutions or situations which have been represented through algebraic equations and equalities. So here it is, understanding the basic logic. So when variables, numbers and brackets are logically combined to represent a phenomenon of science or mathematics, the above expressions and reactions is called the basic logics. If algebraic expressions, that means y plus 7 by 6 minus 12 etc. Let's take up a simple experiment. Take a box of mathematics. You can also take small sticks made of plastics to conduct this experiment. Make the following patterns with the help of 3 matchsticks. Like this one beta. Note that you have used 3 sticks to show the letter A of the English alphabet. ये हमारे 3 sticks हैं 1, 2 and 3. So now scrap this A. Create the second pattern as follows. Like that one. From the given pattern, it's clear that you have made 6 A's. The total number of sticks used to make it 6 into 3, that means 18 beta. Let's make a table now. Like this one. Here it is a number of A's formed. एक बनाने के लिए कितनी मैच स्टिक यूज हुई 3. 2A बनाने के लिए 6. 3A बनाने के लिए 9 and then 12. 5 बनाने के लिए 12 and 6 बनाने के लिए मैच स्टिक यूज हुई हमारी yes 18. So we have skipped the exercise of making 2, 3, 4 and 5 A's from the matchsticks. We know that a relationship exists between the number of singles patterns A's and the total number of sticks used to create them. Thus we have number of matchsticks used 3 into number of A created. Let's number of A created M. So number of matchsticks used, yes, it's a clearly 3m beta, where we can use these symbols, simple expressions to get the number of matchsticks used for all the patterns that are in the shape of A. I hope you understood well. So now we can say that in algebra, letters represent numbers. They are variables. They can acquire any value. So, example, we want to create A 355 times using matchsticks. So, number of matchsticks requires 3m. That means 3 into 355 is 1065 beta. Hope you understood well. Now, facts to know. Here m is a variable. It's always in lowercase letter in algebra. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are constants beta. We use constants and variables in algebra. We use them to find out the values of variables. I hope you understood. Now example 1. So the letter S of the English alphabet requires 5 matchsticks to get completed beta. Furthermore, sticks are placed to continue. The patterns of S or reverse of S, that means opposite S, makes a fine structures. Derive an algebraic formula for matchsticks needed to make S pattern, all connected to make a chain. Solutions. The first S needs to 5 matchsticks. The next S is to be placed in such a manner that it supports the pattern or first S. So second S is an inverted S and it needs only 4 matchsticks beta. The first matchsticks of the new second S is the last matchsticks of the first. This logic has been repeated now. The final pattern has been shown here in given figure. like that one. So let n हमारे क्या है, number of s patterns in forward or reverse pattern, like this one, forward and reverse pattern. So we can say that first s needs 5 mastics, the other 5 patterns needs only 4 mastics, so n minus 1. So the algebraic expression is beta number of mastics needed means 5 plus n minus 1, 4. In our case n मतलब 4 बेटा. So number of mastics needed कितनी चाहिए होगी, हमारा क्या इक्वेशन बना, 5 plus n minus 1 is 4. So 5 plus n हमारा क्या है, 4 minus 1 4, that means 3 into 4, yes 12. So 12 में 5 added करेंगे, that means 17. Hope you understood. So that means the given figure shows 17 matchsticks. This is how we derive algebraic expressions to solve problems beta. Hope you understood well. Now constant and variables. There are two types of symbols in algebra. First one is constant and second one is variables. So algebra is based on the relationship of constants and variables. Let's define them. Constant. A constant is a fixed value of a real number that is part of an algebraic expressions. That means 2m हमारा कितना है, 10. So here 2 and 10 are, yes, constant बेटा. So m हमारा कितना हो गया, 10 divided by 2, that means 5. So m also is a constant in these examples. The value of constants doesn't vary. Now variable. So a variable is an algebraic entity that can be assigned any value from the set of real numbers. Variables are used to do calculations in algebraic conditions. Constants help them in this process. Suppose 2m plus 4n 10. So if m is equal to 1 and n हमारा है 2, so हमारा नंबर क्या बना, 2 into 1 plus 4 into 2, that means 10. So 10 और 10 हमारे क्या हो गए, yes, which is true बेटा, ये दोनों हमारे equal है. Here the value of the variable should be such that it satisfies the algebraic expressions equality or inequality बेटा. Example, yes, find to be given to school 100 plus 30 into n, where n हमारा क्या है, n means number or days for which child remain absent from the school. Okay, और value n मतलब can vary. So the basic fine कितना है, 100 rupees. Remain fixed for all the children. So if n मतलब 3 days, तो we have the equation क्या बनी, fine to be given to school, that means yes 100 में हम 30 into n करेंगे. So that means 100 plus 30 into 3, 100 plus 90 is 190 rupees is fine. Hope you understood well beta. Now facts to know. You can use variables like a, b, c, p, q, r, m, n, o, etc. or any other letters of the alphabet. But note, it must be used in a, yes, lowercase letter only. Hope you understood well. So now next one is mathematical operations, symbols and inputs. So this means all form of arithmetic operations means addition, subtractions, division, multiplications are valid in the calculations of algebra. Moreover, the brackets and the power of variables and constants are also used in algebra. Example 1. 2 raised to power 3 means 8. 2 raised to power 3 is equal to m raised to power n, that means n हमारा है equal to 3 and m हमारा हो गया 2. And 3 means 3 example है हमारा a plus b plus c plus d, that means 10. So is equal to a plus b plus c plus d, that means beta 10. And now 5x plus 7, that means 37. So x is equal to 6. Hope you understood well this example. Now let's revise some basic mathematical concepts and from basic arithmetic operations. In the exercise that follows, we would need the same letter. So let's see. Exercise 7.1. First question. a pattern of squares is created in which the first square takes 4 matchsticks and subsequent patterns squares requires only 3 matchsticks each. So develop an algebraic expressions to calculate the number of matchsticks in the patterns with the given number of squares. So इसमें कितनी हमें matchsticks की required है 4 and here it is 3 matchsticks required for all plus 1 additions for the first squares. So first question is find out the algebraic expressions. So expressions हमारा इसका मिला, हम लेंगे 3n plus 1. That means हमारा जो n है ये क्या है हमारा, yes it's a number of क्या है squares बेटा. And B part is, B में क्या क्वेश्चन है, find out the number of matchsticks needed to make such 12 boxes. So 12 boxes बनाने के लिए कितने matchsticks की requirement है, एक के लिए हमें 3 चाहिए तो हमें टोटल कितने चाहिए 12. So 12 3s are 36 और 36 में 1 ऐड करेंगे that means yes. तो B पार्ट का आंसर हो गया हमारा 37. I hope you understood well. So these are the other questions beta, you have to complete it yourselves. So now move on next topic. This is yes algebra, the basic rules. The following rules are applicable. We assume that you are aware of the concepts of constant, variable, arithmetic operations, parentheses, symbols and inputs. So arithmetic expressions. When numbers are connected to one another through basic arithmetic operations and brackets, they are together called arithmetic expressions. Example, 2 into 3 into 9 minus 5 into 3 plus 64. Hope you understood well. So now next, here it is given algebraic expressions. In algebra, we not only deal with numbers, so we deal with some letters also which represent different numbers. For example, formula in the generalized results of arithmetics, but we use letters to represent numbers from it. Suppose example है हमारे पास, we consider 3 circles of radius 5 centimeters, 6, 7 respectively. So we can say or write radius हमारा कितना है 5 centimeter, 6 और 7 centimeter. These are represent different numbers beta. Now main features of algebraic expressions. Number 1, they have a few parts which may be constants or variables or both. Now second one is the every part of an algebraic expression क्या कहलाता है हमारा term. In some terms like 9 by 25 or 3 meter etc. the arithmetic operations may be missing. Now third one is algebraic expressions with only one term. जिसके सिर्फ एक ही टर्म होती है वो हमारे कहलाते हैं yes monomials like 7p, a by 70 and s की power 2 and minus 4 are all these examples. After that algebraic expressions with 2 variables वो हमारे कहलाते हैं binomials. Means 7n plus 4 and 7k plus 8 by 10 are binomials having 2 terms each. So in these cases arithmetic operations have been done plus and minus in these 2 expressions respectively. Now fifth one is algebraic expressions with 3 terms. जिसमें 3 terms होती है वो हमारे कहलाते हैं yes it's a trinomials. See example is 4p minus 4q plus 80 ये हमारा 3 terms की एक बन गया and 121 minus 11m minus 25. So ये भी हमारे कितने हैं, इसमें 3 terms हैं. I hope you understood. So now 6 point beta. Algebraic expressions with more than 3 terms are called polynomials. They involve 2 and more variables. Constants may also be used in that. See example 30p plus 11q plus 10r minus 12. इसमें हमारे 3 terms से ज़्यादा हैं and 6l plus 7m minus 8n plus 100. So these are the example of polynomials. Now 7.1 is the algebraic expressions have the features that only the variables of the same type can be added, subtracted, divided and multiplied. Two different variables can be multiplied, divided, added or subtracted, but they need more inputs or processings. They cannot give results if they have simple relationship or one algebraic expressions. Only the idea is to calculate the value of one or more variables to satisfy a given conditions or to achieve a particular results in a mathematics or science. So deep calculations may be involved in higher classes. So see the rules for algebraic expressions. First one is commutative property over additions. So in that, if a and b are two real numbers, so we have a plus b, that means it's equal to b plus a. All cases must be considered to satisfy the rule, that means a हमारा 12 है, b हमारा 8 है, so a plus b that means हमारा 20. So a plus b is equal to 12 plus 8 and b plus a same हमारा है 8 plus 12. So this is called the commutative of additions or variables. I hope you understood. Also note that a plus 7 हमारा होता है 7 plus a. So the order of addition is not supported beta. Now B, commutative property over multiplications. Here in that, if a and b are two real numbers, we have a into b हमारा same है b into a. So all cases must be considered to satisfy the rule. If a is equal to 30 and b हमारा 18 है, so that means a into b is equal to 30 into 80. So b into a that means हमारा है ये 18 into 30 beta. Hope you understood well. So now this is called the commutative of multiplications of variables beta. Also note that a into 15 is same 15 into a. So the order of multiplications is not important. Now see, associative property over additions. So if a, b and c are three real numbers, we have a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c is equal to b plus a plus c. All cases must be considered to satisfy the rule. If a हमारा 19 है, b 17 and c 31, so we have a plus b plus c is equal to 19 plus 17 plus 31. So it's same as 36 plus 31 is equal to 67 beta. So a plus b plus c 19 plus 17 plus 31 is equal to 19 plus 48 is equal to 67. So b plus a plus c हमारा बना equal to 17 plus 19 plus 31. So it's a 17 plus 50 is equal to 67. So this is called the associative property of variables over additions. Note that a plus b plus 15 is equal to a plus b plus 15 is equal to b plus a plus 15 beta. So the order of addition is not important. Now see the D part also. ये property हमारी associative property over multiplications. So here it is, if a, b and c are three real numbers, so we have a into b into c is equal to a into b into c is equal to b into a into c. So all cases must be considered to satisfy the rule. If a हमारा है 10, b 12, c 5. So that means a into b into c क्या बना हमारा? Yes, it's equal to 10 into 12 into 5. So is equal to 120 into 5 is equal to 600 beta. Similarly, this one a into b into c, that means 10 into 12 into 5. So 10 को 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करा 600. Similarly, इसमें हम 12 को 50 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 600 also. So this is called associative property of variables over multiplications. Also note that if b into c into 25, so this is same as b into c into 25 is same as c into b into 25 beta. So the order or multiplication is not important. Now distributive property over addition. So in that let A, B and C, ये हमारे 3 रियल्स नंबर है. सो इसमें हमें क्या करना है, A को मल्टीप्लाई करना है B प्लस C से. तो ये हमारा सेम आएगा. इफ़ आई जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई A इंटू बी प्लस A इंटू सी, दैट मीन्स AB प्लस AC के. So all cases must be considered to satisfy the rule. So if A हमारा है 5, B है 8, C 11, so A into B plus C is equal to 5 into 8 plus 11. So that means 5 into 19 कितना हो गया, 95. So A into B plus A into C, that means बेटा 5 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 5 को 1 से कराएंगे. So 40 plus 55 कितना होता है हमारा, yes, it's a 95. So we can say that this is called distributive property of variables over addition, like that one. So note that A into B plus C is equal to कितना हो गया हमारा, A into B plus A into C, that means AB plus CA. So the order of multiplication is here not important. Now this is F. It's the additive identity of variables. So in that if we add a variables to 0 और 0 to a variables, 0 को variables में से करेंगे हम या वेरिएबल को 0 के साथ, द रिजल्ट इज ऑलवेज द गिवन वेरिएबल्स. इफ a इज अ रियल नंबर, हम मान के चलते हैं, सो a प्लस 0 इज सेम एज 0 प्लस a, दैट मीन्स a. सो 0 इज कॉल्ड द, yes, it's a additive identity beta. I hope you understood well. So now next beta, it's a G part, multiplicative identity of variables. If we use multiply a variables with 1 or if 1 is multiplied with the variables, the result is always the given variables. So if a is one are real numbers, we have a into 1 is equal to 1 into a, that means a beta. So 1 means 1 is called multiplicative identity. I hope you understood well. Now facts to know. The associative and commutative properties do not hold true for subtractions and divisions. Hope you understood well. So now points to remember. So here it is, algebra is a branch of mathematics. It deals with variables, constants, algebraic expressions and equations. The latter used in place of numbers are known as variables. They do not have a fixed value and can be assigned any value. Any fixed number is a constant. Algebraic terms have constant and variables. Algebraic expressions are of more than one terms. They represent mathematical and or scientific conditions. Algebraic expressions can be monomials, मतलब one terms, binomials मतलब two terms के होते हैं, and trinomials means 3 terms, polynomials मतलब कि more than 3 terms also. So algebraic expressions can be processed using addition, subtractions, division and multiplications processes beta. So the algebraic variables follow the rules of associative commutative properties in the case of additions and multiplications, but not in the cases of subtractions and divisions. I hope you understood all points. So just practice and do remember. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So do practice and do rest of these exercises by your own.